Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a boot unboxing and a review of the Columbia FLOW BOROUGH LOWs. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And as always, I just want to thank our subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today, we've got a look at the FLOW BOROUGH LOWs from Columbia. These are their low hikers. And we got these in the UK size 8, European 42, and the cement US size 9. I was gonna say 8, it's not. Just before we on to the unboxing, for those that don't know, Columbia is one of the go-to brands when it comes to hiking, mountaineering, anything to do with the great outdoors. I associate with a lot of their jackets are water-resistant, waterproof. I always remember they got really nice jackets. They do boots as well. We have done a couple of Columbias in the past, so check those out. But today we've got a look at a really nice, in my opinion, necessary hiking boot. Very easy to wear. And here we go. Look at that. And that's what I love about these new school hiking boots. They're very lightweight, but they still pack all those water resistant elements to their build, and it just helps you with your hike. So we'll start with the outsole, and with this outsole you got this very aggressive lug traction padding here. It is Columbia's Omni Grip. You can see all around. You got the Columbia logo, that's right here in the middle. Going along onto the midsole unit. So this midsole unit is Columbia's Tech Light. Now it's just essentially an EVA foam, but what's great about it is that it's great for high energy return, so that's what you want. You want that bounce back with every step that you take, and it's essentially there for the cushioning. Now looking at the upper, and again, I just want to mention how long gone are those days where it's heavy leather. Now you've got these water resistant meshes, or textile materials as they're known as. You can pretty much see through it. It's in this black textile material. The upper is mostly made out of that. At the toe box you can see these anti-abrasion paneling here. It feels like it's the fake nubuck, but there are bits of suede, so you can see bits of the suede on the padded tongue here. Round laces to go with it in this speed lacing practice. There we go. You got the hook and the Columbia logo, so you got essentially two pull tabs, one at the tongue and one at the heel. Looking at the heel, you got the Columbia logo, nice padded grip here on this heel clip, there for the sturdiness and for your support. Again, as I mentioned before, it is water resistant, and because of the holes, the mesh, you can see through it. Makes it breathable as well, so that's what you need. Essentially, when you're hiking, you don't want your feet to be wet, so which is great to see. As I mentioned, these modern day hiking boots, they are water resistant, but they allow your feet to breathe, whereas in the old days, they'll be mad sweaty, even though they'll keep your feet dry. Again, these aren't really affected by the rain, and what you're going to experience when you're doing your hikes, your trail running, is that your shoes are going to get well muddy. There's nothing you can do about that, so you're just going to have to make do and clean them. But these are guaranteed to keep your feet nice and dry because of its water resistancy. The insole, so you look at the insole, you got the Columbia logo, and it's all textile materials, finished in this great combination of colors. It reminds me of Optus Prime because of this blue and red, but the majority is black anyway, so I'm just associating colors my end. But that rounds up my review. Again guys, check out our other reviews when it comes to hiking boots. I personally see it as a trend for this 2022 season this year. I'm doing it myself. I'm wearing Salomon boots, I'm wearing ACG, etc. You've seen it before. If you're versed with our videos, you can check out our old videos to see our styles that we're doing. just before I round it off, guys, I just forgot to mention that on the heel clip, you can see the Columbia logo there, too. So we're gonna move on. We're gonna roll that footage of me trying these on, and yeah, we'll just roll it on. So here you go. When it comes to the fit, guys, these are a UK size 8. Usually for Nike sneakers or Reeboks, I'm usually 7.5. And maybe I should have gone a half size down. It's quite spacious at the toes. Like my toes are here. There's a bit of space at the front of the boot. Maybe these were built with thicker socks in mind, because obviously you're going to be hiking. It's up to you, your preference. I know I'll be wearing thicker socks when I do my hikes, so these thin socks aren't very recommended, but they are very comfortable if I do say so myself. As I expect with a lot of hiking boots, obviously I'm going to be on my feet for a very long period of time, and I'll be doing a lot of walking throughout loads of terrain. With all that said, I feel very good grip on the outsole, and it's again very comfortable. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time.